Hello everyone, welcome everybody to our YouTube channel. In this video, I tell you some important general science question, mainly on one linear question and answer on biology topic. Okay. So friends, before the start video, I request you, if you are new in our channel, please like, comment and share this channel for more upcoming video. I will try time to time for uploading various part of the general science topic as well as day-to-day science or everyday science topic video. So please share and subscribe this channel for more video. So let's start this video. See the screen, the some important science note or also some important one linear question and answer of biology topic. Okay, I discuss you with one by one. You please see this carefully video and remember this question. Okay, the first question is the red color of carrot and tomato is due to, the answer is anthocyanin. Okay, one type of pigment which is present carrot and tomato, so its color is tomato red or carrot is slightly reddish yellow. Okay, due to present of anthocyanin pigment. Going to next question, question number 2, pH of human blood. Very common question, answer is 7.0 or 7. Okay, very repeatable question, most of the exam ask this type of question, what is the pH of blood. Going to next question, largest organ inside human body is dash. Answer is liver. Okay, liver is the largest organ inside our human body. Going to next question, largest organ of human body. So answer is skin. So skin is the largest organ of human body. Okay, going to next question, see the skin and remember this question as soon as possible. What is cellulose? The cellulose is one type of carbohydrate. Okay, see this cellulose is one type of carbohydrate. The smallest of human cell are dash. Mainly the human being, which is the smallest cell, the answer is RBC. The red blood corpuscle is the smallest cell of human being. Okay, answer is RBC. Question number 7, number of bone in human body. The answer is 206. Okay, 206 bone present in human body. Question number 8, smallest unit of life is cell. Okay, the cell is the smallest unit of life. Going to next question, red blood cell have no dash. Red blood cell or RBC have no nucleus. Remember this question, RBC have no nucleus. Okay, answer is nucleus. Going to next question, see the screen, I discuss you some important biology question. You look at the screen and remember this question. Question number 10, white blood cell, otherwise WBC, are also known as dash, that is leukocyte. Okay, the other name of WBC is leukocyte. Question number 11, red blood cell are also known as, red blood cell or RBC is also known as erythrocyte. Okay, WBC otherwise called as leukocyte, RBC otherwise called as erythrocyte. Going to next question, question number 12, the life period of earth about, it is also one type of geography question. So answer is 3 billion year ago. So question number 12, answer is 3 billion year ago. Okay, question number 13, when earth was formed, its atmosphere were composed of. The answer is water vapor, ammonia and methane, mainly three gases mainly found in when earth is formed. The answer is water vapor, ammonia and methane. Question number 14, biochemical organ of life discovered by one scientist, which is discovered by biochemical organ whose name is Oparin. One scientist who discover biological organ in human body. Okay, going to next question, group of cell are termed as dash. The answer is tissue. Remember this very common question, a group of cell for a tissue. Okay, going to next question. Question number 16. Kingdom fungi are known as decomposer because they decomposes various organic raw material into the soil. So kingdom fungi also known as decomposer. Going to next question. Question number 17. Which cell organelle not participate in the cell division? So our answer is ribosome. Ribosome is the cell organelle which do not participate in cell division. Okay, carefully remember this question, very important. Going to question number 18. Longest bone in human is femur. It is also very common question and repeatedly asking question in various exam. The longest bone in human is femur. Shortest bone in human is step. Very two important question. Longest is femur, shortest is step. Okay. Most important food is derived from fruits because fruits is also sweetish nature and also present various type all nutrients. Okay, so most important food is fruit. See the screen. Going to next question. Last some question. See this carefully. After human, most intelligent mammal is in the all human being. After human, all the mammal, which a mammal is most intelligent after human? So our answer is dolphin. After human, dolphin is the most intelligent mammal in our nature. Okay, going to next question. Prokaryote does not possess. Pro means that is no nucleus present, all not truly development nucleus. So answer is nucleus. In prokaryotic cell there is no nucleus present. Going to next question, to question number 23. Eukaryotic has a dash. Eukaryotic means having a well development nucleus or a true nucleus is present. So answer is a nucleus is present. So answer is nucleus. Question number 24. In bacteria cell, dash is not found. Yes, one cell cell organelle, that is Golgi apparatus, is not present in the bacteria cell. Remember this question. Question number 24. Answer is Golgi apparatus. Last question. Question number 25. Dash is found in plant cell while in animal cell is absent. Very common question also. The answer is cell wall. Cell wall is only present in plant cell. It is absent in animal cell. It is also very repeatedly question. Look at this mind. Okay. So these are the most important 25 question of the one linear biology question comes under general science. You almost know our competitive exam, our competitive system nowadays. The most in the general science, general knowledge person, the general science play an important role in every exam. So you must be possess or see this video general science and make your preparation will be strong. Okay, mainly in this general science, basically on the day-to-day science or everyday science is also very important in this question. In a computer exam, out of 5-6 general science question, 2 or 1 or 2 question comes under day-to-day or everyday science. I will try upload some everyday science or day-to-day science question in our next video in this channel. So please guys, keep touch with channel and please subscribe this channel and share your friend for most upcoming video. So friends, thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.